Hi, my name is Marco Zzone, owner and operator of Zzone Homes. I've been doing custom home renovations for over 20 years now. I don't know what else to say. Hold on, I need a hand here.
I'm a
guys.
loser. Hi, I'm Sonia Gilmore. I'm an interior designer. I love bringing beauty to projects, making every space beautiful, no matter how big or small, and seeing the love in my clients' eyes when the whole vision's brought to life.
All right, so remember I told you that there was a little bit of a surprise over here. I was a little worried about the tile. The demo's done, and not only that, the tile's already installed.
I see that. So hence why I said offset lay, you said good?
Good, because we did it. I noticed there's a little chip there, but I'll make sure that the guys fix that. So don't worry about that. I know you're gonna notice it. You notice everything.
I do.
So do I. So we're gonna fix that, but it's looking great, right?
The offset pattern looks great, and I love the way he transitioned. Good job, Liam.
In regards to the closet, I know the client wants to keep this here. What do you think? You were talking about color drenching it. Explain that to me a little bit.
Well, because the cabinets are gonna be a sage green.
Wait, I thought they were blue.
No,
Just joking.
that was awful. A really bad joke. I just think because the space is so small that it'll just elongate the space of the laundry room by color drenching it in the green.
I like
Painting it
that.
all the way
Yeah.
around. Yeah.
I like that. So we'll do that. We'll tell
Okay.
Mitch. Where is Mitch anyway?
I don't know. Mitch.
Mitch?
And Mitch is there.
Mitch is hiding.
Mitch is hiding.
Mitch is the man that does all of the work for real, and Marco just tells him what to do, and Sonia picks the pretty things. So really, I think it's between Sonia and Mitch.
This is true. This is true. There was a closet here. We removed the closet, and now it's going to be in like a nice storage pantry with nice pullouts, so it's easy for them to store their canned goods. Behind the closed door, which we're not renovating, is the kitchen. So it'll kind of be a continuation
Of the kitchen.
of the kitchen to add more storage and more space into the room.
That wall being the wall we're building the cabinets on.
So as you can see, we're like well on our way with this project.
Apparently.
You know, I know you didn't
Apparently.
even think we started, but we're well on our way. Mitch is doing our final coat on the wall, just touching up some of the existing walls before paint, and the cabinetry is ready at the design center. So it's probably going to be here tomorrow or the next day, and it's going to be getting installed.
Perfect. I can't
Yeah.
wait to see it all come together.
We're almost there.
My beauty work.
So do I get to go home now, or where do I have to go now?
There's a house just down the street we need to visit.
I knew it. I knew it.
Come
I
on.
knew it. There's always something with you, Sonia. Always something.
10:18. And do you know what time he said he would show up? 9 a.m.
In my time zone, I'm actually 10 minutes early.
Your time zone sucks. Sucks. It's something you need to work
You know
on,
what?
sir.
After 8 years, you should know this already.
Oh, yeah, sure.